this is Lee, licensed acupuncturist and herbalist. Today's topic about rheumatoid arthritis. I have been treating people with rheumatoid arthritis for the past 27 years. And what causes this autoimmune disease? It's the imbalance of the immune system. And the hyperactive sympathetic nervous system can lead to imbalance of the immune function. So the immune system will make mistake to produce antibody attacking our tissues, including our joints. And that create the autoimmune, such as rheumatoid arthritis, if it's in the joint, or Sjogren's, if in your glands, causing dryness in the eyes, in vagina, and also multiple sclerosis. So balancing the nervous system and immune system to prevent autoimmune or just chronic inflammation is the key to live healthy 90 years old. So the other factor which can contribute to autoimmune disease is estrogen dominance condition. That means the estrogen is not balanced with the progesterone. And this condition usually happens during the puberty when young girls don't ovulate regularly, or they use birth control, or they eat too much processed food. And also around perimenopause and menopause age, when the ovarian function is declining, the progesterone level is dropping, and the estrogen also drop, but progesterone drop much more than estrogen, creating estrogen dominance condition. And the third time is after postpartum, after delivering the baby, that can also cause estrogen dominance. The other thing it can cause the imbalance, the immune function, is too much stimulating neurotransmitter or chemicals such as glutamate, aspartate, even sugar, coffee. So if you are taking the sugar substitute, you think there is no sugar, but the aspartate can stimulate your nerves, causing imbalance of the immune function. So you have more potential to develop autoimmune, including rheumatoid arthritis. Then, how can we prevent rheumatoid arthritis? So in Shanghai and Suzhou, I visited many 90 years old when they still in a very good condition, walking around without cane, and they eating very healthy diet. They don't eat a lot of spicy food, and also if they have joint pain, they would go to alternative medicine. And here is the new research in evidence-based complementary alternative medicine showing electric acupuncture actually can reduce the inflammation in the rat with rheumatoid arthritis induced by the chemicals. And Dr. He in China actually tested one of the chemicals called a vasoactive intestinal peptide. And this peptide can actually reduce the inflammation in the synovial tissue. And so the joint swelling will be reduced. And also it can electric acupuncture on these 3 points they are doing. One is stomach 36, the other is gallbladder 39, and the third one is urine bladder 23. So these 3 points actually targeting 3 organs. One is gallbladder, one is kidney, and the other is stomach. And if you think about these 3 points, they are all related with digestion. So if you can improve your digestion with healthy food and not too much sugar, spicy food, alcohol, then you can actually reduce the inflammation related with rheumatoid arthritis. And Dr. He explained the mechanism in this article, saying electric stimulation by regulating the immune function reduce the lymphocyte infiltration in the synovial tissue. and that reduces the swelling in the joints, including your knee and your hand, because if the infiltration of lymphocyte continues, the swelling eventually causes adhesion in the joint and deform the joint. So another mechanism Dr. Chen recommended in a journal of immunology in 2008, saying that electric acupuncture at those points can actually modulate one of the T cells called T helper and the T regulatory cells. And this part of the cellular immune function plays a very important role in the autoimmune disease, including rheumatoid arthritis. So if you currently have acute swelling in the joint, inflammation, so maybe you should get electric acupuncture to help reduce the swelling and prevent the deformation of the joint. If you like more information about rheumatoid arthritis or electric acupuncture, you can go to www.bostonchineseacupuncture.org, and there you can search many articles about how to prevent this rheumatoid arthritis or other autoimmune disease.